Thermography is an indispensable diagnosis procedure in preventive maintenance. Using a thermal imager, you can detect thermal anomalies in your plants and machines early and initiate repair measures before costly breakdowns or downtimes occur. One great challenge when using a thermal imager in an industrial environment are the many similar measurement objects, which result in many similar thermal images. That's exactly what the Testo site recognition function was developed for. It recognizes the measurement site and stores and administers the thermal images fully automatically after an inspection tour. How does it work? Have you already marked your plants with a QR data matrix or EAN code? Then you can simply store these in the Testo IR Soft software manually or through an Excel import, and in the future, scan the existing codes with the Testo 883. After the measurement, the images are automatically saved to the right measurement site at the PC by the Testo IR Soft software. If the plants have not yet been marked with codes, it is easy to use the Testo IR Soft to create, print out, and attach some. As soon as you scan a code, the Testo 883 always knows which measurement object the recorded images belong to. This information is stored together with the thermal image. So much for thermography in preventive maintenance and how the Testo site recognition technology supports you with it. However, the thermal imager Testo 883 has even more advantages to offer for electrical and mechanical maintenance. For both applications, a sufficient resolution is crucial. The Testo 883 stands out thanks to its excellent image quality, with a sensor resolution of 320 by 240 pixels. With Testo Super Resolution technology, this even increases to 640 by 480 pixels. Let's start with electrical maintenance. In this switching cabinet, we're looking for overheated components. To do this, we first have to focus the image. The manual focus allows you to examine all components precisely. Very useful, the hotspot function automatically shows you the hottest spot in the thermal image. In electrical maintenance, the components being examined are often very small, or you may have to maintain a safe distance. In these cases, the Testo i5 Warner is very helpful. It illustrates which measurement object can be precisely measured at which distance. For this purpose, a square cursor appears in the display. When your measurement object completely fills the cursor area, you're measuring the temperature of the object correctly. In order to augment your thermal images with other useful information, the Testo 883 can be wirelessly connected to the clamp meter Testo 770-3. This allows you to see in the display exactly which current voltage or power values the component being examined is carrying. For analysis purposes, these measurement values are saved together with the recorded thermal image. And of course, the switch cabinets of machines can be quickly checked using a thermal imager from Testo. For example, the delta T function allows the temperature values of two freely selected measurement points to be directly compared with each other and the differential temperature displayed. In order to demonstrate how the Testo 883 can be used in mechanical maintenance, we're now going to check important mechanical components for temperature developments which can indicate wear. These are often found in industrial motors, and that's why we're going to take a closer look at one, such as here at this conveyor belt. If the measurement object is very difficult to view, you can also use the app as a second display. When you've discovered anomalies, it can be useful to consult briefly with colleagues or your superior. Simply show them your recording in the Testo Thermography app or send them a compact report easily by email via the app and your smartphone. All images have been recorded and now they need to be analyzed and documented. When transferring the images to the PC, they're automatically allocated to the respective measurement object by Testo site recognition. The images are then further analyzed and processed in the Testo IR Soft. Adding hot and cold spots, for instance, or calculating the differential temperatures. You can add comments to any image, for example on maintenance measures and their urgency. These are then saved with the image and can be conveniently assembled into a report via the stored templates. And that's all for now on the use of the thermal imager Testo 883 in preventive maintenance.